right, day 46 of me trading with Apex in this new eval. So I made today. I'm going to go over the trade really quick that I did. It was on MNQ. So let me kind of, in fact, I can actually just move this over a little bit. Around 8:30, I decided to draw like a little 1 hour support line. This is the hourly chart on MEQ. So I just drew this line right here since 8:30 was literally, or around here. That's where this trade took place. Drew the support line. Again, over the past couple days after Trump winning, I'm just like, I just want to go, long pretty much. So this was not a 10 EMA setup. This was not a, there's a double bottom right here, but that's not necessarily what I was doing. I just literally wanted to try to play a 1 hour support like bounce. There's this strategy that I'm kind of back testing and sort of working on, and today worked really well, using hourly supports, resistances, and then looking at the RSI on the 3-minute and the 15-minute. So yeah, around here I drew this channel. You see this kind of like trend line, kind of like right here, and I also had the 30-minute low, 30-minute high, and once we rejected that 30-minute high, around here is when I just set a limit buy right near the 1 hour support line. And I put my stop below the low. I wanted it to be actually like here, but I got a little scared, and I usually don't play stops that small anyways on MNQ. This is about, how I, about how large I like to do it. So I was like, I could be safe and just put it, at this low. And I actually left the house. I just set it and just walked away. And I had my, obviously I had my stop and stuff like that. So when I came back, we were right here, and I was like, I was pretty happy. So, but then I also got a little nervous. I don't know why. So I took one contract off here, and then I was aiming for a 1.2 R target after taking this micro off, but once price kept kind of coming up here and coming down, coming here and coming down, I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go for 1 R. And right at the 1 R mark, which is this line, I, took off the rest and left one and just kind of wanted to hold. So I was aiming originally for, if I go on the 20, I was really, to be honest, I was aiming for the high, near the high of yesterday, like up here. And I got a little impatient. So after kind of being on the computer, seeing this whole thing kind of happen, I ended up just moving my take profit right near the top of this box here on the 1 hour chart down here. And so it would have been good if I could have held, but I was just not for sure. I was trying to see if price was going to be able to close inside this box on this candle and on this candle. And when it didn't, it kind of, and then we rejected cost basis on the 1 hourly chart of this Potter box. So yeah, I just didn't want to take any chances. I moved my stop 3 times. I mean, I really wanted to give it some space. So that's pretty much it. But really, I drew this channel, but really the real or the better channel, I was just looking at it too close, like I was too zoomed in. It was like this, and you'll be able to see this was like kind of a pennant pattern here, right in here. So we broke out though, retested, couldn't really get back in there, and then yeah, had another retest as well, and just kind of kept going up. So I'm not mad at where I got out. I mean, it didn't really go much higher, so I'm not too mad at it. Oh yeah, and then I drew this 1 hour resistance here around 8:30 as well. And just try to, want it to hold basically through that. Anyways, I mean, that's probably like a terrible job of explaining this, but I'm a little tired, I'm not gonna lie. Because I was doing some other stuff. But anyways, that's it. That's the end of this video. I mean, I'm kind of feeling like I'll be able to pass this eval kind of quick. Pretty much all thanks to Trump winning. And I don't know how to feel about that, because I'm like, I don't want this to be like a fluke, you know? So, again, like I said, I'm working on a couple of different strategies that I think is just going to be a little better suited for my personality. I think what I was doing before, I don't know. That's probably just a bad excuse, but I don't know, it just would feel wrong sometimes to trade the way I was trading. Not saying I'll never do the 10 EMA strategy again. I will. It's going to be something I definitely am going to be doing quite a lot, but there are just a lot of times where I'm just too hesitant, and another strategy would probably make me feel a little more confident. So I'm realizing the power of having different strategies and knowing when to use one over the other. I know that's a little bit more advanced, and I know I have a lot to learn with all of that, but I think that's just going to be kind of my style, not just using only one strategy. We'll see. I could change my mind again. We'll see how it goes. If by the end of this year, I'm still just burning accounts and I'm, maybe switching too many strategies, then maybe I'll just go back to just finding one strategy that I actually like and just meshes well with my personality and just do that only. So anyways, that's the end of this video. Let me know what you think, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.